Just had an abortion? Twins?
Twins.
Damn, double homicide.
Bitch.
My dad died a couple days ago. I was wondering if somebody could like Photoshop wings on him. If not, it's cool.
Bonjour à tous, je vais faire l'appel. Michael.
Présent.
Hugo.
Présent quoi?
Gary O'Donoghue, who's in Minneapolis, and Gary, all eyes on this case.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Tumor.
Tumor who?
Tumor months to live.
You have a girlfriend.
Now I don't.
What do you do when an epileptic is in the bathtub and having an attack?
What?
Toss your laundry in.
Why do all black people have nightmares only? Because the only one who had a dream got shot.